I'm going to be covering very briefly a little instruction on what prompts are, what power prompting is, what prompt templates are, and then I'm discussing with you a little bit of information about what AI workflows are. So it's going to be very brief. I'm going to get it done as quickly as possible, but if you're interested in learning about this topic a little bit more, feel free to reach out to me. You can find all my description of these videos, whether you're watching this on YouTube, Facebook, or whatever. So let's jump in real quick. So first and foremost, let's dive into ChatGPT. If you've never used it before, this is just a good example of what it looks like. We can actually come to this page here. This is our ChatGPT chat. This is where you get to interact with the AI system. Today's video, I'm going to use a very quick example of wanting to write an article. Okay, so I want you to imagine that we want to write an article for something. Let's say you get an article brief from somebody and they say, hey, I want you to write an article on a certain topic and I want you to cover certain perspectives. Well, just imagine you get a message from your editor and they say, hey, we want you to cover an article on a topic, how to shear sheep. Okay, so obviously you can come into ChatGPT and say, hey, can you write me an article on how to shear sheep? Okay, this is like basic entry-level prompting. So all prompt is an input. So you give it an input and then you get an output. So here ChatGPT is going to create an original article on how to shear sheep. Now the thing is that this article is just a generalized article. It's going to be good. It's going to have good information. But what if your editor wants you to incorporate like keywords, and they want you to incorporate very specific patterns in the article? Well, in order to do that, we could do something called power prompting, which is we can ask ChatGPT to give us the prompt that we want to create. So I could say, please give me the perfect prompt for please give me a perfect prompt for this prompt idea. Okay, and then we could tell it, we can copy and paste this. This could put this here. We could give it a prompt. We can give it a temporary prompt. So we're going to give it an idea. So it's going to return back to us an adjusted prompt that we can give the AI system to get more specified outputs. Now, this is called power prompting. Okay, so basically what you're doing is you're having, instead of you coming up with the perfect prompt, you have your chat agent come up with the perfect prompt. My battery's about to die real quick. Let me plug this in. All right, cool. So you can see that this prompt is much, much better. Okay, so now if I gave this prompt to a chat agent, let's just come here, create a new chat. So now instead of just saying, hey, give me an article on this, let's put in the generated prompt, the engineer prompt that we got from the agent. And we're going to see, we'll probably see a very similar type article because that same chat agent gave it to us. But right off the rip, you can go ahead and see just structurally, this is a much better article. Okay. So what we just did there is, instead of us coming up with the perfect prompt, we let the GPT agent itself create that prompt. That's power prompting. Now, what we can take with this power prompt now that we have this, is we can actually create what's called a prompt template. So a prompt template basically allows you to structure the output that you want the agent to give you. So let me just give you an example of one of my prompt. This is going to be an example of one of my prompt templates. Let's see here a second. So we can. So these are examples of some prompt templates we can use. So I can use Let's just try this one. So this is an example of a prompt template that we can engineer. Prompt template says, I need you to act as a content creator and create simple, straightforward, engaging. This is a prompt template that I engineered specifically for a specific use case. So on my Fiverr, if you go and check it out, you'll actually see here that I have one of my gigs is I will be your AI integrator. And this AI integration service comes with several different things, several different main services that we offer. So the first thing we do is we have a basic 45-minute consultation where we can assess your specific needs and give you actionable steps towards success. The standard package includes a 45-minute meeting.